How to search product by camera or emails in Amazon app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to search product by camera or emails in Amazon app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Amazon shopping app on your device. Make sure to log into your particular account on Amazon. Now at top right corner of the screen, you will see the search bar. On the search bar, you will see the camera-like icon or simply the lens icon. Select that. So you can simply take picture of the product you want to search for. It will take a few time, or simply you can upload it from your gallery section. And here, Amazon will show you related product option based on your photo. You can add to your cart and make a purchase. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.